clearing time final value.
0.27
Okay.
second. Okay. In question number 4, it is saying a 60 Hz generator is supplying 60% of maximum 60% of P maximum to infinite bus through reactive network. A fault occurs which increases the reactance of the network between the generator internal voltage and the infinite bus by 400%. When the fault is clear, the maximum power that can be delivered is 80% of original maximum value. Determine the critical clearing angle for condition described. You see, here it is not asking critical clearing time because during fault it is providing some power. If it will ask, then you can't find like that. You find by point to point method. If you know a step by step method also called that type, you find like you draw one curve and you see okay, what is the time. You can't find directly like that by saying equation. In this question, it is saying before the fault, the curve is P max on final. During fault, this power is coming to this curve and delta is increasing. After some time, you clear the fault and it is supplying 80%. If you read question, then it is saying in a starting it is supplying 60% of P maximum. A fault is occur and which increase the reactance. If reactance will increase, then power will like what is the power?
It will decrease.
It will decrease. So here this is the A1, this is the A2. At that time angle is del naught. Here you are clearing fault del phi r del max. Okay. So what is the area of A1? Del naught to del phi r Pm minus R1 P max. If you calculate this thing, then what will come? Pm minus del phi r minus del naught. Here, this is the constant. R1 P max comes to be out, and fine integration is minus cos naught. Cos. If that's why you are taking that limit is in reverse manner. Cos del naught minus cos del phi r. Similarly, what is the area of A2? Hello.
Integral del CR to del max R2 P max minus
R2 P max find del minus PMD del. It will comes to be R2 P max cos del phi r cos del max minus Pm del max minus del phi r. From equal area criteria, if you add the area 1 equal to area 2, then it will comes to be Pm del max minus P naught. If you take common from here, Pm is, if you take common here, and if you see Pm is also here, minus P max of del phi r. If you take common, then it will come R2 minus R1. R1 P max cos del naught plus it will come R2 P max cos del max equal to 0. From here, you can calculate that value del phi r. Then what? Cos del phi r equal to, if we take this all value after 0, then here it will come to be Pm del max minus del naught minus R1 P max cos del naught plus R2 P max cos del max by P max R2 minus R1. You can divide also P by P max, then here it will come only R1, here it will come only R2, and in denominator it become R2 minus R1. Cos del phi r become Pm by P max. Del max minus del naught. It becomes R1 cos del naught plus R2 cos del max R2 minus R1. Now here you need del max, del naught, R1, R2, Pm or P max, all these value. So from that equation, that curve, what is the Pm? You can write here P max sin del is equal to Pm when 0.6 P max. It is saying 60% of P max in question. 60% of P max. So from here you can get Pm by P max is equal to 0.6. So you can put here Pm by P max, and if you can calculate here del naught also. So what it will come to be? Del naught come to be 36.87 degree. If you calculate in radian, then it will come 0.6435 radian. Now del max. What is the del max? Suppose this is the del 1.
Minus delta 1.
Like R2 P max sin delta 1 is equal to Pm. If you find delta 1, then from here you can find del max is equal to pi minus delta 1. So here what is the R2? First, R2 and R1. Two things. So you see, in last equation it is saying when fault is clear, the maximum power can be delivered is 80% of original value. 80% is 0.8 P max. .8 P max. This is the 0. Then R2 is equal to 0.8 because 0.8 P max. So from here you can calculate del 1 also. and del max also. So I am directly writing because space is not there. So del max directly I am writing, it will come to be 131.41 degree. Now here what is required? R1. This is the R1. During fault, what is happening during fault? A fault occur which increase the reactance of network between generator and internal voltage and the infinite bus by 400%. Here R1 become 0.25. So if you put R1 value here in this equation, then Pm by Pmax 0.6, del max I have calculated 131.41. If you calculate in radian, it will come to be 2.294 minus del naught 0.6435. If it is not attached with like cof or fine, any final term, then always put value in radian. But if it like cos del naught, then here put value in degree. R1 is equal to 0.25 cos del naught. Del naught is equal to 36.87 plus R2 cos del max. Del max is equal to 131.4 by R2 minus R1. 0.8 minus 0.25. If you calculate all this value, then you get 61.64 degree. Delphi it is. Okay. So anyone have any doubt how to write in this? Like in stability, only thing is like this. If you put wrong value, then you will get wrong answer. So you remember here you put in radian, and if you put with fine or cos, you put in degree. Second thing, in how to find that area. Only if you write area, you don't remember that formula directly. I got here formula. So if you remember ki if fault is happening middle of the line, then this formula will come. If you not remember this formula, like you forget, then simply you integrate. It will take only 1 or 2 minutes. Then you can get answer. So here condition is like I solve here for question. Question 1. Question 1 is like if any input is suddenly increasing, then what is happening? First case, that is one type of question. Second is like one of the line is tripping. So this type of case is there, but what is happening? If fault is happen, it comes to down and again it operated at second line. So third case is like only one line is there. If fault is happening, it is coming to 0 and again after like clearing the fault, it is regaining original network. And question number third is similar to question number second, but here like in question number second, during fault power becomes 0, and question number 4, during fault power is not becoming 0. It is in like case of like fault happen middle of the line. I solved that example in last week. So this only this 4 type of problem is in stability. If you have any problem, then you can ask me.
So can you share these 4 questions? Like
Yeah, I will upload these 4 questions today. I forget last week.
thank you, sir.